Microsoft Power BI Analytics Review. Watch before using. Links to Power BI are in the description, so check them out if you're ready to dive in after this quick review. Power BI by Microsoft is a powerful analytics tool designed to help businesses visualize and analyze their data seamlessly. It's especially popular among analysts, business intelligence professionals, and managers who need an intuitive, robust way to work with complex data. First, let's cover Power BI's main features. It allows you to pull data from multiple sources: Excel, cloud storage, databases, and even online services like Google Analytics or Salesforce. You can transform and model data in just a few clicks, which is a huge benefit for non-technical users, while advanced users will appreciate the deeper options for custom DAX formulas and Power Query transformations. Visualizations in Power BI are some of the best in the business. You get everything from simple charts to custom visuals with advanced interactivity and real-time dashboards. Additionally, Power BI integrates seamlessly with the rest of the Microsoft ecosystem, including Office 365, Teams, and Azure, making it a top choice for organizations already using Microsoft products. Power BI is perfect for companies of all sizes, but it truly shines in mid-sized to large organizations where teams need to share insights at scale. The data sharing and collaboration capabilities are robust, allowing you to publish dashboards to teams, set up row-level security, and even integrate reports into your apps. However, if you're working solo or on a small team, Power BI Pro is affordable and packed with essential features. Meanwhile, Power BI Premium is ideal for enterprises needing more advanced capabilities like AI-driven insights and larger data capacity. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights on analytics tools like Power BI. This helps support the channel and brings valuable content to those looking for the best tools for their business. Thanks for watching.